Yeah.
Hi guys, me and Isla here, and today we are going to be bashing, boom, 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 a gigantic surprise Kinder chocolate egg, and it's filled with 200 Kinder eggs. Wow, that is a lot. And of course it is chocolate. Whoa, it's so big. And here's our hammers that we're going to be bashing it. Bash, bash, bash. And Isla's here because in the giant chocolate Coca-Cola bottle, I had to get my dad to help me. It took me ages. And I was like, that thick. And this one's got to be so thick as well. I can't wait to bash it with Isla. Are you ready, Isla?
Yes.
I can't wait.
Tiana, do you think we can bash through this giant Kinder surprise egg?
Maybe. If we can't, then my dad will have to come in again. And guys, if you haven't seen our giant chocolate Coca-Cola bottle video, then go check it out. Okay guys, it's bash time. 3, 2, 1, bash! Yay! Come on! Bash! Yeah! It's starting to come off here, Isla.
I'm thinking this.
Oh, look, there's layers. Come on! Let's go right here. It worked. It's cracking. It's in Isla. I made a great big hole. I think we can put it. I made a great big hole. Let's see. Look at the hole I made. And what I did, there was a humongous crack through here. Look at all the marks on the hammers. And look, there's a line down here. If you bash it, you'll be able to see it. Oh, it's going all the way down. Whoa, it's cracking. Oh, man, it's open. Oh no, all the Kinder surprises. Whoa. Let's hit it over here. Go, go, go. Yeah! We did it, Isla! Oh my goodness, look at all these Kinder eggs.
So
Look at all
many.
these big pieces of it looks a bit like a T-Rex. Shall we taste some chocolate, Isla?
Yeah.
I'll take some of this.
It tastes really yummy.
It tastes like the Milky Way stars. Guys, this is the best chocolate I've ever tasted. It's so yummy. Let's pull the egg over. Go. Oh my God. Oh no. Shall we take it all out? It's so heavy. Wait. Guys, look, I told you there was loads of Kinder eggs. There's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Star Wars, Kinder Joy, My Super Equestrian Girls, Palace Pets, and there's Kinder Surprise Story.
There's the turtles.
I'm going to challenge you, Isla, to pick up half of the chocolate with the Kinder eggs inside.
Okay.
It's heavy! Can I try yours and you can try mine? Whoa! It's heavy! I can't pick it.
Yummy Kinder eggs.
No, no. Time to take some Kinder eggs! Yay! And I'm going to start off with a Palace Pet. And my one has Ariel on, and my one has Aurora. Yeah. So let's open them up. And let's almost open. Whoa, look at my chocolate. Let's crack it. Whoa! That is nice.
Tiny.
Hey, look! You had Aurora on yours, and I got Aurora.
And
That's funny.
I got I'll go get it.
I think you got an animal, and I got a person.
Yeah, I got it. Chest up to my leg. The chest up to my leg. Okay, right, I've got the chocolate.
I'll just put.
You're building. Again.
The animal ones you don't really have to build, but these ones you do. But not really that much though. But this is just a stand. But you don't really have to put it on. I'll leave this stand on. So I'm going to open another Palace Pets that has Aurora on, just like Iris did. Oh, yours is so cute. That's Ariel. Wait, is it? Yeah, I think so.
Now I'm going to open my
I've got so much chocolate. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Oh, Isla!
same.
That's so weird. If you open another Palace Pet and you got Aurora, that'll be weird because I got Aurora. So I'm going to open this one that has Cinderella on. This guy's too big.
Let's see what I got.
And I got
A Ninja Turtle.
Cheers. I'm not sure which that is. It's going to be in here. And it is. Oh, this one's so cute. I love this one. I'm going to just put my
I'm going to open my Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joys are so yummy.
Yeah.
And that one came with a pink mirror. I'm going to open my tiny one.
You keep on dropping that. And let's see what's inside. Oh, this looks interesting.
Whoa. Wait, is this?
What?
This is Pinkie Pie. Let's take
Okay.
that out of the bag.
I don't know what you do with these.
Wait.
You put them on there.
Oh yeah, I have one of those, and it's basically just a colouring pen.
Okay.
Pretty
And
simple.
then let's put that back there. And I'm
Pinkie
going
Pie
to
is so cute.
I'm going to open my Palace Pet. Oh, that's
And here's Pinkie Pie, and it's also actually a brush and a stand. Let's open my other Palace Pet. There's a lot of Palace Pets. Yeah, they're one of my favourites. And King of yours.
Yeah, they're my favourites.
And who's this? Oh, I've got this one already. It's another kitty cat. Yeah, because you've got that one.
Oops. It's hard to open this one. Which one? Oh, got
Oh,
it.
Star Wars.
And I got
Is this one yours?
white one.
Yeah, that one's yours.
I got a white version.
Oh, that's Cinderella's pet.
Got it like that.
And that one's Ariel's. It'll be cool if we got an Ariel person.
And then next I'm going to open my Little Pony.
Equestria Girls.
Yeah.
And I got Pinkie Pie. Mine. Oh, I've had one of these before. They're so cool. You can like find things on the piece of paper.
Oh,
Look,
what does it say?
cool, isn't it? I'll show. Whoa, I nearly lost that then. It's so cool. Look at this, guys. It's so cool. There's Yoda on here and Chewbacca. So cool. Whoa! Yeah, there's this one. Oh, I got this one.
I got one in purple.
Ida, would you like this one? Because I've got that one.
Okay.
It's so cute. Here you go. You can put that
Thank
on
you.
the pile. Oh, yes. A Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. These ones are harder to open than the others. There we are. And after this one, I've only got one more, which is my Kinder.
I got the same as you got.
Aurora.
Yep. Let's put it in.
future videos, we're going to be opening more of the Kinder eggs because there's so many. And these are all the ones we have opened today. And they're so cute. I love them, especially the Palace Pets.
Me too.
I had lots of fun bashing this giant Kinder surprise egg, and it's really shocking that we could bash this one, even though it's so thick and big, and not the giant Coca-Cola bottle. It's so weird. And my favourite surprise would be the Palace Pets because they're so cute.
And my favourite surprise would be the Palace Pets as well.
And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.